Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 100 on your Facebook. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. While operating Facebook, if you are noticing this kind of an error that says error 100, then the first thing to do is to make sure that you are logged into the correct account that is associated with your page or a group you are a part of. The next thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data, and once connected, see if that fixes your issue by going back to Facebook app and launching it on. If that does not work, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the application on your device. Simply go to the app drawer and find Facebook app. Press hold to Facebook icon and uninstall the application from your Android device. Once uninstalling it, go to Play Store and download your application back again. Once you're done downloading Facebook app, go ahead and log into your Facebook account like you normally do and see if that fixes your issue. Apart from that, you can also try clearing cache from your settings menu on your Android. Simply go to settings from the app drawer and give it a tap. Scroll all the way down until you find apps option and tap it on. All the applications that are installed on your mobile device will be displayed on this page. Go ahead and search for Facebook from the list and tap it on. From the app info page, tap on storage. Tap on clear cache at the bottom right hand corner in order to clear out all of the cache data from your Facebook app. Go back to your Facebook application now and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you're not being able to operate your Facebook application, since it keeps showing you Facebook error code 100. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.